Hey guys, good morning. And now, I'm just wearing my outfit for today because we needed to post an OOTD. So I'll be wearing this. And now I'm just going to fix my hair. Does it look good or no? So hanggat may araw, magpo-photoshoot ako. And hopefully maging maganda ang pagpipicture ko sa sarili ko kasi ako lang isa. Ayan, I think okay naman siya. See that brush? Para mas lumipit siya sa hair. Very... So what should I wear? This one? So I think I'm OA now. So I'm just gonna remove this and replace it with my usual earrings. So hopefully maging maganda yung photoshoot ko mamaya sa taas. This is going to be my look, and then for my bag, at bigay to ni tita, yung nanay na asawa ni ate. So yeah, I think I'm just going to hold it like this, or maybe like this one, just for the pic. I'm just going to wear this one. Ito galing TikTok. Actually, lahat ng suot ko ngayon from TikTok. So yeah, para lang dito sa sweater. So, also thinking to wear a glasses. So ito, nabili ko lang dun sa TikTok. But I think this is just, it's not giving, it's too big. So ang pwede kong suotin is yung glasses ko talaga. Just this one. I really love this. Like this. So guys, by the way, I'm done with my photo shoot para sa ngayong araw ko na ipopost. And it's our assignment kasi, and I just have here my matcha. And it looks like light kasi ang dami kong milk na nilagay, but still good. And yeah, can't wait to upload my video and then pictures. Alam nyo guys, very DIY lang kasi dito lang yan malapit sa amin, but then I need to nail it, ganyan. Pero ewan ko if I nailed it, but yeah, I think I need to edit the background kasi may mga something na nakalagay na no parking and such, ganyan. So, kailangan ko yun ma-edit. And yeah, I'm going to start now para ma-post ko na siya. So, yun lang. And have a great day ahead. Enjoy life. Basta guys, just remember na kung ano yung sinasabi ko dito ay hindi yung mga bagay na gusto ko sabihin sa sarili ko. That's why I'm saying it. Hindi yung parang sinasabi, kasi baka mamaya sabihin nyo, though wala naman kayong sinasabi, pero naisip ko lang baka mamaya sinasabi nyo naman yan, hindi nyo naman ginagawa, ganyan. But then again, sinasabi ko sa inyo yung mga gusto kong sabihin, kasi yun din yung mga bagay na gusto kong sabihin sa sarili ko, na just like yung mag-take care, mag-ingat palagi, yung fighting, kasi you know, we have all different circumstances, situations in life right now. But yeah, still we need to fight. And then, ayun, kailangan natin lahat talaga harapin. Kung ano man yung dumadating sa atin, magpasalamat tayo kung nahihirapan tayo. Kasi dahil doon nag-grow tayo and nalalaman natin kung ano pa yung mga kaya natin. Yung mga bagay na kaya natin kapag nahihirapan tayo. Pag nahihirapan tayo, yung mga bagay na hindi natin akalain na makakaya natin gawin, magagawa pala natin. Mga bagay na maproprovide natin, kaya pala natin i-provide. Yung pagtitiis natin, yung pagtitipid, kaya palang gawin. So, ayun. And I just want to share that with you guys. And yeah, I have to go, I have to edit and then fix some stuff here. And yun lang. Thank you for always supporting me, and I hope support nyo pa ako guys by the end of my journey, like pang lifetime, ganyan. And I'll do the same for you guys. Just mag-comment lang kayo, and if you want someone to talk to, ganyan, mag-message lang kayo. Basta wag lang yung message na yung feeling ko na may interest kayo, ganyan. So gusto ko tropa-tropa lang tayo, ganyan. And yeah, can't wait to see you guys kung saan man. And thank you for always supporting me. And tingnan natin kung saan pa ako mapadpad. And kung saan pa kayo mapadpad. And I will always support and root for you guys. So yan lang. Bye bye.